Microwaving a Capri Sun for science. Microwaving Doritos. You guys have been telling me to microwave expo markers, so that's what's gonna happen. Be pretty interesting. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, I think I'm gonna need a new microwave. Microwaving a bottle of ranch. Yo, it's evolving. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh! God, look at that. This plasma ball, we better...
That's a lot of science.